Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you to make crochet hair ties. These ties are long ropes with spirals on both the ends. We need a thread in any color, a crochet hook and a scissor. These ties will be very beautiful when we tie for children. Now let us start. Leave 3 inches, twist the yarn once and pull the yarn through the circle. You have got a loop. Now we are going to put 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See here, the chains look so beautiful. Now we are going to make the twist. Put 1 chain and a double crochet. Leave the first chain and in the second chain put a double crochet. 3 loops you have got. Pull through 2 loops at first and then through the next 2 loops. See, 1 double crochet and in the same chain you are going to put another double crochet stitch. So in each chain we are going to put 2 double crochet so that the yarn will twist automatically. If you have missed the basic lessons, you can get the link in the description box for double crochet stitch, chain stitch and slip stitch. See here, in each chain we are putting 2 double crochet stitches. 1, and 2 double crochet in the same chain. See, it started to twist so that we'll get the spirals at the 2 ends. Two double crochet in each chain, all the 20 chains. We are putting double crochet. See, it started to twist. One and 2 double crochet in each chain. I'll finish till the end and I'll come back. See here, I have finished 2 double crochet in each chain for all the 19 stitches and this is the last stitch. One and 2 double crochet. Now I have finished the spiral in one end. We are going to make the rope now. You can put 60 to 100 chains according to the length you need. I am putting 80 chains so that it will be easy for me to tie. You can choose the length according to the thickness of the hair and your use. See how beautiful the chains are. I have finished 80 chains and the spiral is at one end. We should put another spiral like this in the other end. So after this 80th stitch, you can put a marker in the 80th stitch and again we can put 20 chains for the next spiral. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now we'll make spirals. Put one chain and leave one chain, and in the next chain put 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and the second also in the same chain, 2 double crochet stitches, again in the next chain 2 double crochet stitches, 1 2 again in the next chain 2 double crochet stitches. So for all the 20 chains we should put 2 double crochet stitches in each chain. So we'll get another spiral in the other end. See, I have finished 2 double crochet stitches in all the 20 chains. We have come to the end. Twist the yarn, pull through the chain, pull 2 by 2 loops, again a double crochet stitch. See, this is the last chain. Put 2 double crochet stitches, now you can remove the marker and join the next chain with the slip stitch. And to make the chain, that is the rope, thicker, we can put a slip stitch in all the chains so that this rope will become thick. See, I am putting slip stitch in every chain. insert the crochet hook in the chain and pull the yarn through the chain and the loop. See, this is slip stitch. Insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through the chain and the previous loop. This is slip stitch, and we are going to put slip stitch in all the 80 chains so that the rope will become thick. Now you can continue for all the 80 chains these slip stitches. Pull the yarn through the chain and the previous loop. Insert the hook in the chain, pull the yarn through the chain as well as the previous loop so that the rope will become thicker. This hat tie is washable, and you can select any color matching your dress. See, now I have come to the end, finished all the slip stitches, and so you can leave 2 to 3 inches and cut the yarn, pull the yarn and make a knot here. You can tie with the starting yarn, put a thick knot, and using your crochet hook you can pull the yarn through few stitches. Cut the excess yarn in both the ends, and now we have finished the hair tie with spiral ends. You can tie a bow like this and it will be so beautiful. try this hair tie and comment in my video. Hope you all loved this crochet hair ties. Please like and share this video with your friends. For more such videos, subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.